What is up, YouTube? My next video would be around preparation for Google Cloud Certification examination. So lately I've been prepping up myself for professional data engineering exam. So I thought it would be interesting to make it a series because not much content is available out there for it. So more about the video, I have a new workflow in place. I'm trying to make the videos a bit more interesting and easier to watch, plus making it a bit shorter. And if you get value out of my video, definitely hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Why getting a cloud certification might be a good idea. Professional data engineers enable data-driven decision making by collecting, transforming, and publishing data. Main goal is to achieve scalability and efficiency overall in the pipeline. Since I'm talking about all these certificates which are associated with the cloud, let's just define what exactly a cloud is. Simply put, cloud computing is the delivery of computing services which includes servers, storage, databases, networking softwares, APIs, etc. at a single place for you to use. Couple of main advantages would be almost infinite scalability and also pay per use. So you only pay for what you're using as a resource in the cloud. AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud are the top 3 cloud providers in the industry. Amazon Web Services has a solid lead in the public cloud market. This has around 33% of a market share, followed by Microsoft Azure at 16% and Google at 8%. So market share can also be one of the factors which allows you to decide which certificate to take. The next question comes into mind is why even study for certifications? Consider it similar to how any high school or university degree works. Professional certificates validate your skill level and add an impressive touch to your portfolio. In addition to the credibility, certification also helps you get hired and also increases the chances of you getting a promotion. So out of so many options, which certification should we get? The answer depends on a range of factors, from your background and experience to the sector you're working in, or even your long-term goals. One option is Google Cloud Platform. So why get Google Cloud certified? You get to learn the latest technology, you can showcase your skill, your badge to other prospect employers or clients, fast track your engineering learning goals, even get hired into a new company. Google Cloud certification also has this hands-on lab experience which comes in handy when you want to start building things in the real world. So making you more accustomed to building things rather than just the theoretical knowledge. Coming to the main part of the video, I will mainly focus on the professional data engineering certificate. So as a data engineer, you should be able to build, design, operationalize, secure, and monitor data processing systems. A data engineer should also be able to leverage, deploy, and continuously train pre-existing machine learning models. So one of the key emphasis you need to focus on is scalability and security. This exam assesses 4 key things: ability to design data processing system, ensuring solution quality, operationalizing machine learning models, and building the data processing systems itself. Let's look at the exam guide, which will provide the full syllabus. There are 4 key sections. First, design data processing system, which includes the storage aspects, the pipeline aspects, and even the warehouse aspects of the data engineering. It also contains like the designing of data processing system, also includes the migration of warehousing and the systems itself. The second part is building and operationalizing data processing system. It includes deciding which effective managed service we need to use, the cost and the storage performances. We also need to think about data cleansing. We also need to think about the provisioning of resources and monitoring them. Section 3 is operationalizing machine learning models, in which we will look at existing pre-built models which we can use, also look at deploying ML pipeline and models there, choosing the right infrastructure, and measuring and monitoring and troubleshooting all these models. Fourth and the last section is ensuring the solution quality, which includes the security, the management, also looking at the scalability and efficiency of your solution, plus looking at flexibility and also portability. For the certification, Google already provides an online learning path which consists of lists of video courses and also on-demand labs. In the learning part, you need to do like first 3 courses, which covers the basics of big data and machine learning, and then moves to the complicated like actual data engineering on the Google Cloud. It also includes serverless data processing with data flow, and within these courses there is a lot more detail to all the services that are being used. After you've done with the courses, you need to kind of attain these skill batches, which are like the hands-on lab. As a sample, let's look at the first course. In the first one, it has multiple parts. The first one is Introduction to the Basic Fundamentals. It includes like videos, documents, and also in-terms labs and quizzes for you to execute. Similarly, it has other tutorials for other products such as Cloud SQL, Spark, and also BigQuery, kind of introducing all these concepts of new services and then help you kind of understand them and also have a hands-on experience. As a final step, I also wanted to show you all these different services which are going to be covered when you prepare for the examination, which includes the storage part, ingestion part, analytics, machine learning, and final serving, which is like dashboarding. The storage part mainly includes cloud storage, SQL, and many more things. In ingestion, you would learn the data flow where you kind of build pipelines, Cloud Composer, PubSub for I/O, Cloud Functions to execute small Python functions. Within the analytical space, you would mainly learn mostly. The big chunk would be BigQuery, where you kind of ingest this data in a warehouse, query upon it, and kind of finally analyze the data. And the next part would be the machine learning part, where with services like Cloud ML helps you deploy models. The final part includes such as Data Studio to serve your dashboard with insights. If you found this video to be very useful, definitely hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really helps with the algorithm. So thanks a lot for watching.